Hi, and thanks for joining today's quick demo video about diversity data capture and reporting. So this is important because in this day and age, 90% of executive leadership say that D&I is one of their most important priorities. In fact, 92% embed this in their recruitment and hiring practices and strategies. Um, that means that increasingly recruitment agencies are put under pressure to either report and demonstrate the diversity of their talent pipelines, or sometimes even to hit specific diversity goals for the shortlist that they present. How do you know if you're doing well, if you're achieving any of this? Through diversity data, and that's what the dashboard is really all about. The dashboard allows you to measure, track, and report across 8 optional areas of diversity. So gender, ethnicity, age, disability, socioeconomic status, as well as veteran, religion, and a number of others. What gets measured is highly customizable, and that's because we want you to measure what's important to you and to your clients. So at any point in time, you can head over to configure your dashboard, where you can then select across those 8 elements of diversity. You can add, you can remove at any time. You can also customize how you measure and what you want to include. It's optional to also add a current and a target diversity. Either way, we'll be tracking your pipeline. So these are just some metrics that you can measure against, but you can turn those on or off if you wanted to. But also, really importantly, what you can do is, I'll just add another one to show you, is also add in specific client dashboards if you wanted to customize and create special views for them, country dashboards, or even discipline dashboards. And that's because the goals that you set for your technology team when it comes to, or recruiting when it comes to diversity for gender, might be different than that of marketing, for example. So another important point about the diversity dashboard is compliance. So diversity data is highly sensitive. There's a lot of fear of what can I not do? And that's why ensuring that compliance is built into the process is super important. So that means knowing what we can and cannot do across various countries. And then within that country, by diversity characteristic, knowing what should we be asking and how should we be asking? Are we allowed to be asking that question, yes or no? In addition, another way of generating data is through predictive AI. Do we want to use AI to supplement and create more data, or would we just want to rely on self-reported data? These are all settings that can be customized and saved. And through that means we'll be capturing in the diversity dashboard, again, those characteristics that are important to you or your clients, giving you custom views that you can filter and break down, and ensuring that you're compliant every step of the way. You can then extract reports to take to your clients or to use internally in PDF and in Excel format.